What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review very late review because the last year it was uh, like the situation was not good. We were all locked in the house and we watched it and really loved the web series because at that time also online there is a guy also, maybe he was from he was British or maybe he was American, who get the CCTV footages of the online scam team, Amit Chauhan or something like this, right? So it was very famous at that time. So that's why I think that Jamtara is worth watchable because really you will enjoy that one. So if you will read about the facts, because at that time I was thinking that maybe it is just for fun, but there are strange facts that I came to know that okay, India consists of like 29 states and some 7 unions. Imagine that the 12 states traveled back and forth 27 times to this fishing capital of India, a small city. It's just like a small village of Jharkhand, and imagine that this brings our deep attention towards one cause, that if the youngsters, if they are not given a quality education and the opportunities, what could happen. you know let's review not the movie but the facts. Some of the countries like Singapore and some big countries like developed countries, they love to invest more on youngsters because that's their outsourcing and sourcing is those, so they invest in the next generation. But here in South Asia there is no concrete solution for the development of the children, the development of the students. So if they have to go to the school, sometime it happens in the villages. Even one of my friend also, he told me that the school walls are broken, and what is the situation? How come you expect in the 21st century or this century that children will grow? So if you are not giving them the basic, at least basic thing that you can give to the people is food and education. If the children don't have it, definitely they are deprived of these things, and they are always in their mind, they are always thinking that why we are left. So this happens with these two cousins, and they started talking like this. Randomly they call people that, excuse me madam, that we are calling from this bank and your account is with our bank, and they wanted to take away your crucial identity or information. Sometimes, especially the elders and people, those who are into business, but they are like baby boomers or generation X, sometimes, or anyone can be victim of this one. Because suppose if you are working or you are somewhere else and you suddenly got a very professional call, like somebody is very nice to you and you said, oh yeah, maybe he's from the office, because you have never been to that. But the problem is that we never follow up that whether this call is really from your bank or really from your concerned authorities, or it is just random person, because all the officials calls, they comes from the landline numbers. Okay, suppose if they come from the landline, at least you know where your bank is. The problem is when we don't follow up. So what happens is that these two cousins, they started this racket and they came to limelight in the news. But since they are underage, so due to their age, they cannot detain them. So cyber world is also like the cybercrime police is also concerned what could be done. Once it comes into the news, so the politicians know it. Definitely they need the money for the campaigns, business and all this, because it, in the end, it is money that makes them a chief minister or a higher post. So definitely they wanted to give these guys a legal protection so that they will have blessings and ashirwad of elders. So what happened? These two cousins, due to their difference of opinion or their mindset, they split, and he takes on his turn and goes with the politician. But the other one, the main protagonist, said that no, I will do by myself. So the competition starts when the people see it that this poor city, every house is built with a very concrete, or like all the muddy house turned into concrete bungalows and villas and blah 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 like this. So they said how it happens. Now what happens that this protagonist, he talks to his girlfriend and makes up a team. So she is running an academy, and now the group is getting bigger, whereas the rivalry starts growing up on the other end, and the politician is not happy what is happening. So imagine that they are already in the power. So they said that if you are not gonna to be on our feet, we will bring you to our feet. So thus the rivalry starts, and you will really enjoy it. The good thing that I really like about is authenticity of the whole plot. See, that is what authenticity is. It making it very authentic, and especially village life. The actors are really from the rural area. They didn't use the new characters. So overall, the characters they have used they are very good. Especially they are very mature. You can see they are from the politician. Especially is also very famous in another web series also. And I hope what I am going to say is that in the news that I have read that the next season, because remember in the end they shoot him, but after that he fell down. They didn't show him dead because they wanted to make it to the next level. And I hope because that's what I read in the blogs and the news, that in September 2021 they are going to release the second season of this one. That's why they leave the series at the suspense, so that people will keep thinking what is happening, and they wanted to keep you glued to the script. So I hope you really like this series, and especially if you really like something from cross culture, like all this kind of plots. And I hope you will really like the another movie that I will recommend you. Keep watching that. And I believe that there is one movie, I forgot that one, but I will find out. And yeah, it is about cheating. Okay, we will discuss later. Maybe I will give the link in the what is that in the card. So kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. And if you have any other series that you really wanted to recommend from any culture, I really wanted to watch that one, and it will be very much helpful. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.